Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 84 of Campus This Week. I'm Marjani from English Department Sonada 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Mayfair Tea Resort, New Chumta, Siliguri. Siliguri, Professor G. N. Devi, guest speaker at Salesian Lecture Series 2022. Simran Khawas, Bachelor of Social Work, first semester, reports.
Salesian Research Center and IQAC organized Salesian Lecture Series in collaboration with Sikkim University and North Bengal University. Guest speaker Professor G. N. Devi is chairman of People Linguistic Survey of India, a right-based movement for carrying out a nationwide survey to identify, document and understand the state of Indian languages. At Salesian College, Siliguri, Professor Devi spoke on imagination in the times of artificial memory on 21st November 2022. Next day, in Sikkim University, Professor Devi lectured on endangered languages, state, community and national education policy. On 23rd November, Professor Devi addresses Salesian College Sonada community on diversity as the foundation of Indian civilization. His lecture on 24th November in the University of North Bengal was entitled Why Literature Matters Now More Than Ever Before. Earlier Salesian Lecture Series personalities included Professor Ashish Nandi, Professor T.K. Oman, Professor Aditya Mukherjee and Professor Ramachandra Guha.
Simran Khawas reporting.
Thought for the day during live shows every hour on the hour from 8 am to 2 pm.
From Monday to Friday.
Be inspired by thought-provoking 1-minute presentations in English and Nepali languages.
By Salesian College students.
Starting from 8 December 2022, Radio Salesian 7th Foundation Day.
Brought to you by Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Salesian College, Siliguri and Sonada.
Siliguri, SPIC MACAY Chapter inaugurated in Salesian College. Tissa of Mass Communication, first semester, reports. Mr. reports.
With the flow of modernization, youth of India are more often exposed to Western culture and have started losing the touch to their roots. The feeling of Indianness must be revived once again, said Father M.C. George, principal of Don Bosco School, Barpeta Road in Assam, and former national chairperson of SPIC MACAY. Father George is current SPIC MACAY Northeast India chairman. SPIC MACAY is the Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth. It is a non-political nationwide voluntary movement founded in 1977. On 26th November 2022, Salesian College Siliguri, in association with SPIC MACAY, held a special program on Indian music, art and culture, which marked the inauguration of the Siliguri chapter of the organization. The first session included an introductory speech followed by a performance by the music department faculty of Salesian College Siliguri campus. This was followed by the second session where the audience witnessed the amazing Rajasthani cultural troupe perform their music and dance forms, langas, manganiyars and kalbelia.
Tissa Sen reporting. Sonada, Constitution Day marked with extempore speech competition. Manish Pradhan, Mass Communication, first semester, reports.
Salesian College Sonada, Political Science Department and NCC organized an inter-department extempore speech competition to mark Constitution Day on 26 November 2022. The competition consisted of 2 rounds, in which the first round was elimination round, where 5 departments English, Mass Communication, BCA, Sociology and BCom secured their position. After final round, competition results were as follows. In third position, Brother Jacob Rai from English Department. In second position, Manish Pradhan from Masscom Department. And the first position was secured by Sangdoma Lama from BCA Department.
Manish Pradhan reporting. Siliguri, NCC Day Celebrated. Debangshi Mishra of Mass Communication First Semester reports.
The National Cadet Corps NCC Day was celebrated on 26 November in Salesian College, Siliguri. The event started at 2 p.m. with 67 cadets present. The third year senior cadet hosted a quiz competition for 13 teams based on the theme of NCC and the armed forces. The quiz was followed by flag hosting ceremony in the presence of Principal Father George Thadathel, Associate NCC Officer Lieutenant Risha Chetri and Caretaker Officer Mr. Samuel Tamang. The first year cadets then performed a drill under the leadership of Junior Commission Officer Monica Kelp. The event concluded with the vote of thanks by the Senior Under Officer Prabhakar Pradhan.
Debangshi Mishra reporting. Sonada, Special Lecture on Diversity marks Constitution Day. Prabhakar Khawas of Mass Communication First Semester reports.
Salesian College Sonada Political Science Department marked Constitution Day on 23rd November 2022 with a special lecture on diversity as the foundation of Indian civilization by Professor Ganesh Narayana Das Devi. Professor G.N. Devi is a literary critic known for People's Linguistic Survey of India and the Adivasi Academy. He is credited to start the Bhasa Research and Publication Center. It was on 26 November 1949 the Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Professor G.N. Devi gave a 45-minute lecture which included stories and philosophies. A lively question and answer session followed in which students and faculty members interacted. The lecture ended after the sharing of reflections by Dr. Chepal Sherpa, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, shared reflections and lecturer Ms. Sneha Mangar gave vote of thanks.
Prabhakar Khawas reporting. Siliguri, Space Scientist speaks on Astronomy and Astrology. Srayashi Biswas of Mass Communication First Semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri held a special lecture on space sciences, astronomy and astrology in collaboration with IQSC on 26 November 2022. After opening remarks by Professor S.C. Das, Registrar and Founder of Department of Physics, and introduction by Dean of Collaboration and Expansion, Research and Publication, Mr. Dhiradatta Subba, Speaker of the Day, Dr. T.P. Shashi Kumar started his presentation. He spoke about Manas, which means heart, and Buddhi, which means mind, and how it reacts in various situations. He also explained the relation between astronomy and astrology, and also the planetary positions which affects the life on Earth. The interactive session was lively as the faculty and students, along with Principal Father George Thadathel, raised questions. The event concluded with vote of thanks by Ms. Sujata Sinha, Head in Charge of Department of Physics.
Srayashi Biswas reporting. Photo of the week. Father Principal joins SPIC MACAY's Rajasthani folk dancers and exuberant students in a moment of exhilaration on 26th of November 2022. Those are the latest news from campus this week. This show was brought to you by Mayfair Tea Resort, New Chumta, Siliguri. Enjoy the rest of your day.